Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about logical operations in Tableau. Let's get started. Tableau provides various logical functions to perform logical operations on our data. Logical calculations allow you to determine if a certain condition is true or false. For example, you might want to quickly see if sales for each country you distribute your products to were above or below a certain threshold. There are many logical functions in Tableau. They are in, and, not, or, if else, case, is null, if null, zn, if, etc. There are many more functions as well. I haven't listed all of them because it's going to make it very lengthy. And one more thing is, if I start explaining everything in this particular video, the video is going to be super lengthy. So instead of making you bored with a long video, I wanted to split it up into a separate videos. Like no, each and every function I would like to create a separate video, and I would like to explain the same with different examples. So first I'm going to do is I will explain you what a logical operation is and how it is going to be used. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to create a logical operation and how to use it. I have opened Tableau public application and I've taken sample superstore data and I've created a new sheet and renamed it as logical operations in Tableau. I have created a calculated field and named it as logical operation. Let me edit the calculation and show you what is inside. So it's a simple calculation where I've taken sales column and I've given a condition like sales greater than 5,000 and I've clicked on OK. So let me build a simple report. So what I'm going to do is the scenario is something like this. So I'm going to display customer name with sales. So it's going to display the sales done by each and every customer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this calculation to filter shelf. So this is nothing but a logical operation. So it is going to give me true or false, which is nothing but Boolean values in the form of result. So if I select true, it will only display the records which has sales greater than 5,000. So I've selected true and I'm clicking on OK. So now we can see only the customer names with the sales greater than 5,000. And let me duplicate the same and show you one more scenario. Now we have this logical operation calculation. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add one more line. So I'm going to add one more logical operator and I'm writing it one more line. Sales greater than, sales less than 10,000. So what it is going to give us is, so it will fetch all the records whose sales are greater than 5,000 and less than 10,000. Let's see how it's going to filter out. Now we will be able to see the records which is greater than 5,000 and less than 10,000. So you'll be able to see only the customer names whose sales is greater than 5,000 and less than 10,000. This is how you can create logical operations, or you can use logical functions in Tableau, and you can incorporate in your worksheets.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.